Today, and I'm grilling steak. Lalagyan natin ng konting sesame oil. Sesame oil. Mamassage natin. Sesame oil. Sesame oil. Konting salt and pepper. Very simple. Don't put too much because you will overpower the taste of the meat. Okay. That's pepper. Pepper. Freshly ground pepper. Tapos siyempre, konting garlic powder. Walang arte-arte yan. Ayan. Gila natin din sa grill. Mainit na mainit. Wisha! Ito yung tinatawag na searing portion. We're gonna sear it. One side muna. And then one side muna. Kunin ko lang yung hotdog dito. Tutok na yan. Umusok! Smoking! Mga 30 seconds lang. Tapos ng 30 seconds, sa isang side naman para perfect grill marks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Shot. Sarap. Tapos nang masir, kabilang side naman. Makita nyo reason bakit piniflip pagkatapos. You'll see the reason why I do that. One, two, three, four, five. That's a prime ribeye steak. USDA rated. I think it's ready. Oh, yan. Tingnan nyo yung pagkakaiba. Look at the searing. The grill marks. Yan yung sinasabi ko. Grill marks. Wee-hoo! It's a good day today! It's my second beer. So I think it's about done. I'll show you the magic right about now. It's a good day today! Boom! Sausage. Sausage. Ba! Sino yun? Si Sophia. At syempre, bigla may T-bone na. Kanina, ribeye lang. Umaapoy-apoy. Tutok mo gabo. Oh. Meron din tayong lamb chops. Yung lamb chops kay Pia at kay Miggy. Kain na tayo. Ito na kasi. Tulok mo ito ba? Natin yung bote. And Sophia, you want lamb chops?
Yes. I'll get the smaller one.
Smaller one is
This one.
this one. Miggy, you want lamb chops? This is the rib eye. T-bones. One sausage. One sausage ba? Sausage.
Poblano.
Oh, yes. This is a poblano.
Sausage. Sausage. Anong gusto mo? Yung ribeye o yung ano?
Chibo.
Let's start with the ribeye. At the ribeye. Woo! Taste it, baby. Taste it.
Yummy.
Yummy. Perfect. Masarapes. Yung cameraman, bigyan natin. Perfect.
May I have the one over there, the other end, please?
Which one you want, baby? Which one you want, baby?
That
Ito?
one.
This one?
Yeah.
Siyempre, burn ends.
Thank you.
How about you, Bo? What you want? Ito? Ow! Sopas. Uy,
Sounds mine.
drinks. At may manggang hilaw with bagoong. Sarap, Miggy?
Papa.
Good. Ciao! Kain na po tayo! At ang aking mandirigma, si Gabo. Dito lang sa Dampa by the Lake.